will the vaccines for COVID-19 be available in our country? Are they even expensive? Are they free? Are they even safe? Will I give them to my children? What are these vaccines even? And ano itong mga clinical trials na to? Hello everyone, this is Dr. Joanna V. Miranda and welcome back to another episode of my COVID-19 series in my YouTube channel, Dr. Vlogger. We are going to talk about COVID-19 vaccines, and I am sure that if not all, well, almost all of us are already waiting and hoping for a vaccine against this coronavirus. Based sa mga nababasa natin sa mga news, may mga vaccines na and nasa clinical trials pa daw sila. May iba namang approved na din, pero hindi, parang na-retract na hindi na naman. So, you know, we're always hoping for that COVID-19 vaccine because, let's admit it, we want to live a normal life again. So, mayroon na nga bang vaccine? And kailan na nga ba sila pupunta dito sa country natin? What are these clinical trials and how important are they? Well, let me explain them all to you. By simple definition, a vaccine is a product that stimulates immunity in our immune system to protect our body against a specific disease. So, ang bakuna ay nagbibigay siya ng sustansya mas malaki ang chance or tsansa na hindi mahawa sa isang sakit. Sila yung nagbibigay ng antibodies sa katawan natin na yun naman ang nagproprotekta sa katawan natin against certain diseases. Okay, so those are the vaccines. Based on this coronavirus tracker that I am currently using, yes, I am using a tracker for vaccines kasi sabi ko nga sa inyo, gusto ko na po magkaroon ng vaccines and I've always wanted to be updated regarding COVID-19 because every day I am dealing with COVID-19. According to this tracker that I am currently using, we have 29 vaccine developers under phase 1, 14 under phase 2, 11 under phase 3, and 5 under early or limited use of approval, and of course, wala pa sa approval na stage. What am I talking about? Okay, so let me dissect each one of them. Vaccines have to undergo what we call as a testing process. So first, we have the preclinical testing. So ang preclinical testing, they are testing a new vaccine to animals such as mice or monkeys for them to produce an immune response. So, animal stage pa lang yun, that's a preclinical testing. And as of now, according to this tracker, we have 92 preclinical vaccines in active development. So, nasa animals. So, hindi natin gusto muna yun. Medyo malayo pa sila. Phase 1 safety trials. This is when scientists test a small group naman of humans. So, this stage, the phase 1, is already a testing on humans to see if these individuals or these people will produce immunity and also to test the dosage and the safety of the vaccine. Phase 2 expanded trials, this is when scientists test 100, so hundreds of humans or of individuals split into groups like children and elderly and see if the vaccine acts differently in them. This trial further, of course, tests the safety and the dosage and the efficacy and also if it produces immunity or it stimulates the immune system. And then the phase 3, which is the most important phase, of course, and I believe most of our vaccines right now are in phase 3. The phase 3 is your efficacy trials. So phase 3 efficacy trials, this is when the scientists test thousands of people and they want to see how many of them become infected versus or compared to a placebo, so meaning those people that have not received the vaccine. And also because marami nga to, thousands nga, this trial or this phase can detect rare side effects of the vaccine. In June, the FDA has actually advised the vaccine developers that they want a 50% na positive response in your phase 3 clinical trial. We come to the early or the limited use nga. So yun, China and Russia have known to be in this phase, the earlier limited use, meaning kasi ng earlier limited use, they have still not finished or completed phase 3 trial. If you watched the news lately, yung sa Russia na in-approve nila because regulators in their country have decided to approve them. So, sa kanila, kumbaga, sa per country nilang decision yan and regulators of each country will decide. And that's what you call early or limited use lang naman. But, of course, because they still haven't completed the phase 3, this entails serious side effects. Siyempre, hindi natin gusto yon. We always want na sana makomplete yung phase 3. And then the last stage, of course, is the approval stage or the approval phase. And this is what we want. The vaccine is already approved for public use, but of course, the regulators would further study, monitor kung talaga pang dapat ma-approve basing on the results of the phase 1, phase 2, and especially the phase 3. Once a vaccine is licensed, of course, the researchers will continue to monitor the safety and efficacy of these vaccines. So this coronavirus tracker that I'm using filters out these clinical trials. Of course, we are all interested sa clinical trials or sa vaccine pala, the vaccine developers that are already in your phase 3. And this tracker has said that there are 11 vaccine developers already in your phase 3. I counter-check it, we check it, fact-checked it with our World Health Organization. A draft there has stated that there are 10 vaccine developers that are in phase 3. So I combined the two, I compared actually the two, and then what I've noticed, almost pareha sila lahat except for one, yung the Murdoch Research Learning Center in Australia. So, it's nice to know, di ba? Kung i-compare mo sa mga bansa saan galing yung the rest of the 10 vaccines, walang galing dun sa Australia. So, ito na galing sa Australia. At least alam natin, di ba? I mean, who knows? Baka next month, next year, ma-approve din pala sila, di ba? So, talagang okay din pala yung test nila or yung clinical trial nila. So yun, when I compared the 10 sa WHO and the 11, pareha nga sila. Yun ang pinaka-importante, yung nasa phase 3, and let's just wait for them to be approved. Recently, there was a news most specifically sa CNN, encountered that 3 firms or 3 vaccine developers have seek approval to hold COVID-19 vaccine clinical trials here in the Philippines. These 3 vaccine developers are Gamaleya Research Institute from Russia, Johnson Pharmaceuticals Company, Johnson & Johnson from the US, and the Sinovac from China. So yung tatlong yon, they are seeking approval na sana they can hold nga COVID-19 vaccine clinical trials in our country. So kumbaga, phase 3 yun eh. So they will require thousands of humans to undergo the phase 3 completion. Well, hindi pa na-approve as of now, as I'm making this video. This is October 15. They're still waiting for the decision. However, in our side, if it will be approved, we are hoping na since they will conduct clinical trials here, perhaps if ever positive yung result ng phase 3 na yon, we are going to be able to be prioritized, or perhaps marketing of those vaccines will also happen here in our country. O diba, maging available din sila, hindi na tayo ganun na may hirapan. Kasi syempre, pahirapan din yan eh. Pag once a vaccine has already been approved, na na-complete niya yung all phases. If ever that application to hold the COVID-19 vaccine clinical trials will be approved, sana will also be able to market the vaccines here in our country and magkaroon na siya. According to the experts, the best case scenario, if everything goes into plan, is we will have a vaccine around April 2021. Let's pray for that day to come. And also for now, dahil wala pa naman yung vaccine, let's continue what we have been doing. Living a new normal, wearing the masks, physical distancing, hand washing, sanitizing, being clean. Because as of now, those measures are proven to prevent COVID-19. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed and as well as learned something from this video, and I miss sit-down videos like this. If you've noticed the past videos that I made, medyo nagda-divert ako sa medical topics because if you are in my situation, dealing with it every day, dealing with patients and everything, sometimes gusto mo naman na during sa hobby mo, during vlogging, I also want to talk about other topics, not medically. But of course, I miss doing things like this and sharing information with you guys. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to my channel, and click on that notification bell to be updated with my latest uploads. And see you again in my next video. Bye bye.